Hi friends, it's Sunday night and it's a burger night for us. I am doing another Happy Pear recipe, the Irish twins that we love who throw together plant-based foods and they do fun videos, and I just love their business model, honestly. I want to try to emulate what they have created in Ireland right here in Memphis, like healthy plant-based foods, group of happy people, a little cafe where they serve their plant foods. I just love their business and I want to create something similar in Memphis. Anyway, so tonight we're making something called Easy High Protein Burger, which protein doesn't really matter to me. We get enough protein. I promise you, us vegans get enough protein. Even for strength training, for working in massage, anything I want to do, I'm not worried about that. I just chose this recipe because I went to their website and I was scrolling around looking for good dinner recipes, and I knew I wanted a burger in our meal plan for this week, and it was the first tasty looking burger that I came to. It's got quinoa, it's got sweet potato, delicious. So I downloaded the recipe from their website where they do have it typed up. For some reason, I don't know if it's my error or their error, when I was getting into my app, I didn't see the information for the quinoa, so I definitely pulled up their video where they talk about what they're adding. Hold on. Oh, my oven has to beep it, y'all, every time I try to make a video. Sorry about that. I'm a little stressed in the kitchen tonight. I need to calm down. I need to take my own advice. Breathe, calm down. There we go. Happy, making burgers. It's one of our favorite meals around here. So the timer was going off for the potato wedges are done in the oven. All I did was take the last of a bag of Yukon Gold potatoes, cut them into wedges, about 8 per potato, throw them on a tray, 400 degrees, 45 minutes, should be just about right. And I don't even put salt on them or anything because we douse them in, what's that British, malt vinegar. We douse our potato wedges in malt vinegar, and then we crack salt over top, and then we dip them in a tofu-based mayo. I'll put a recipe down below to a similar tofu-based homemade mayo. We really love the brand called Just Mayo, Hampton Creek Company. Cannot find it anywhere in Memphis anymore. If y'all have any information on finding Just Mayo, let me know. It's disappeared from the shelves. They used to have it at Kroger, big tubs of it. And I think Veganese is totally overpriced. I am getting sidetracked here, y'all. So I made some homemade tofu mayo. It's not quite as fatty and delicious, but that's what we like to dip our fries in. So the fries are done, and I'll show you that whole tray and kind of what they look like with the burgers. And I'm plowing into this burger recipe, and I'll show you where I'm at with that. I pretty much followed exactly what they were doing on the video. So I started with my skillet, and I did do about a tablespoon of oil, red onion, garlic, cashews. My cashews were already toasted. I just buy them in bulk at Kroger, and I buy the roasted salted cashews, but I chopped up, I even measured. We have a little kitchen scale. I measured 100 grams of cashews like the guys say, and I got those in there. I added quinoa. If there is a recipe error, I'll put the information in there for you, but they said 300 grams of quinoa, which for me was somewhere between a half to 2/3, a very solid half cup of dry quinoa cooked up, came out to almost exactly 300 grams. And then when they say a tin of mixed beans, I use this from Kroger, Tri-Bean Blend. Chopped cilantro. Ah, my kitten is clawing my toes. She loves my flip-flops. There's Bess. She loves my flip-flops because they're shiny. They have shiny beads on them. Yes, baby. Then she comes and claws my toes. Aww. Okay, I'm gonna squeeze in half lemon, half lime, because that's what I had hanging around. And I mixed up my flax eggs, and I forgot to do that. I had all my stuff ready and forgot about my flax eggs, and this really works best if you let it sit in the water, let your ground flax seeds sit in the water for a bit. And so that's why I started videotaping for y'all while I was letting my flax egg come together. All right, I'm gonna carry on with this recipe. I don't think there's that much from here on out. We're gonna cube up sweet potato. I roasted these earlier, 400 degrees, 45 minutes, any potato. Oh, let me give you a peek at the potato wedges. Ooh, yes. Roasty perfection. We love Yukon Golds, and those have got little brown bits all over them. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna carry on, finish up my burgers, and show you what the final thing looks like. Here is a quick look at my version of beetroot hummus. I happen to have a partial can of beets left over from something else we were cooking, the Thai red curry noodles. So I just went and bought a tub of classic hummus from Kroger, and I mashed a bunch of canned beets in there. Voila, beet hummus. So I'm gonna use my homemade mayo, tofu mayo, avocado, and beet hummus to have the same toppings that the Happy Pear Irish boys put on their burgers. All right, I'm gonna get these burgers going. Dinner is ready, y'all. This recipe said serves 4, and I got 7 very big burgers out of it. So keep that in mind. We did a whole tray of Yukon Gold potato wedges, which we're gonna douse in malt vinegar, salt, and that homemade vegan mayo. And here is our plate of burgers and fries. Our Happy Pear high protein veggie burger with quinoa and sweet potato. I am going to hand the camera to Simon and do a taste test because I thought it would be fun to see me trying to stuff this in my mouth. Here we go. Okay, friends. I did all those same toppings: mayo, beet hummus, avocado. I don't know how I'm gonna get this in my mouth. So I am just going to go for it here. Mmm, very, very tasty. Give these burgers a try, and if you want, you can make them even smaller and spend more time crisping them. They're kind of mushy still, gonna be delicious. I was kind of in a hurry because it's getting late here and I want dinner, so you can make even smaller burgers, get more. You can do half the recipe if you really wanted 4 and crisp them really well in a pan, or even bake them on a tray in the oven, 400 degrees, about 10 minutes each side. Just some other ideas for y'all. We are gonna go enjoy burger night. All the recipe information will be down below, and I'll see you tomorrow, friends.